Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm presenting to you an African dish which is made of our local rice, dawadawa, that is locust beans, and also shea butter. So I have my local rice that I have soaked in water. I'm doing this to reduce the hours of cooking the rice. So I'll leave it this way and prepare my other stuff. So I have my tomato paste here. I also have dawadawa, the locust beans. I'll be talking about its importance as we go in the video. I also have pounded fish with onions here. Then I have my shea butter made from tamale. And this is my tomato, my seasoning cube, my chili pepper, and I also have some salt. So in my pan, I'm just going to add the shea butter for it to get melt. I kept it in the fridge. After buying, you have to put it in a cold place so that it doesn't melt. And if you want to use it, you just bring it out and the hot temperature will melt it for you. So now I'm just adding the locust beans into it. So after adding, I'll let it fry for 2 minutes before I add my tomatoes. So these tomatoes too will be fried for 1 minute before I add other ingredients. This is an authentic dish from the northern part of Ghana. It is easy to make, it requires few ingredients, and it is so healthy because it has this locust beans in it. And the shea butter too is good for us. So now I will be adding my chili pepper. If you have fresh pepper, you can use it. I've added my salt and the seasoning cube. I'll give it a stir, then I'll allow it to fry together for additional 1 minute before I add my tomato paste into it. So now this is the tomato paste. I've mixed it together. Then this will just fry for another minute before I add some water in it. And then I'll just add the pounded fish with the onions into this, and I'll stir it together and cover it to boil. Dawadawa jollof with local rice needs a lot of water because the local rice usually takes much time for it to get softened. So you need to add enough water so that you can cook it well. So I've just added the pounded fish and the onions. So I'm stirring this so that it is combined properly. So I'll just cover it and allow it to boil over before I open it again. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that it will go viral. So now it is boiling. You remember I soaked my rice, so this is it. It has even doubled a bit. I'm just adding it in here. Afterwards, I'll just stir it gently and cover it to cook for about 15 minutes. But if you are using the foreign rice, that is the white rice, you don't have to put plenty water because it's easily cooked with less water. So after about 15 minutes, I've just opened it to give it a stir. Then afterwards, I'll cover it again. I'm doing all this so that the water is not at the top and the down part will be burning. And you need to cook this under a low heat so that you don't burn your food. So now after additional 8 minutes, my dawadawa jollof is ready now and I'm just serving it. So let me tell you the benefits of shea butter to us. Shea butter has some aging properties, so when we are fond of using it, you see that your skin is always good. Your skin doesn't break out easily. And it also sweetens our skin. So that is the more reason why it is good for us to take it as part of our daily meals. So you can always use this one to cook. So now I'm just adding some chopped carrots on this and some spring onions just to give it a very good presentation. Locust beans is also known to improve eyesight, and it also drives away hypertension. So in the northern part, a lot of the folks trust it so much. Those with high BPs always depend on this, and they testify that it helps their blood pressure to calm down. They don't record high BPs because they now depend solely on eating foods made of dawadawa. So you can also try it out. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.